In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Discord call using OBS. If you want to record a Discord call with both video and audio using OBS Studio, you've come to the right place. OBS makes it easy to capture your Discord conversations for tutorials, podcasts, meetings, or other personal recordings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic setup so you can record your Discord call with the audio included. To get started, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once the program launches, create a new scene if you don't already have one. This helps keep your recording settings organized, especially if you use OBS for different types of projects. Next, add the sources you want to record. If you'd like to capture the entire Discord application, add a window capture source and select the Discord window. If you want to record your entire desktop instead, add a display capture source. Make sure the Discord window is visible in the OBS preview before continuing. Now it's time to check your audio sources. In the OBS audio mixer, verify that your desktop audio source is active. This captures the sound coming from Discord, including the voices of other participants in the call. If you also want to record your own voice, make sure your microphone or mic aux source is enabled as well. Speak for a moment and confirm that the audio meters are moving for both sources. Once your audio is working correctly, open Discord and join the voice channel or call you want to record. Ask the participants for permission to record if required by your local laws or the rules of your organization. Then return to OBS and make one final check that both the video preview and audio meters are responding properly. When everything is ready, click the Start Recording button in OBS. Return to Discord and continue your conversation as usual. Throughout the recording, you can occasionally glance at OBS to ensure the recording is still running and that the audio levels remain active. After you've finished the call, switch back to OBS and click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save the recording to your configured output folder. You can review the recording afterward to confirm that both the Discord audio and your microphone were captured successfully. If you notice that Discord audio is missing, reopen OBS and verify that the correct desktop audio device is selected in the audio settings. Also, make sure Discord is using the same playback device that OBS is monitoring, so the application can capture the sound correctly. That's all there is to it. With the correct capture sources and audio settings configured, OBS can reliably record your Discord calls with clear audio and video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,